Good morning. Started the day at mile 600. Was shuttled back there from the hostel. Had a good night's stay. They cooked a very nice pancake, egg, and sausage breakfast, which I enjoyed. Starting to hike at 9:30. It's snowing a little bit. I am slack packing, so I don't have a bag or anything. I just have a bunch of stuff in my pockets. Whew, just got out of breath. But yeah, they are slack packing. They are driving my backpack to the Woods Hole Hostel, which is a 25-mile day. So I'm doing 25 miles without my pack, and I think they'll make it go by fast. If I need anything, Trent's grocery is about like halfway through today's hike, so I could stop for food, water, snacks, anything I need. So that's the plan. You can kind of see the snowflakes on camera. It doesn't feel that cold because I am moving fast and I am hiking in my puffy jacket, which I don't usually do. So it's cold, but like at the same time, I'm also sweating. So I had the random urge to put space buns in my hair to look like Princess Leia today, just to have a little bit of fun. And I had some extra time in the morning before the shuttle. But the guy at the hostel, instead of looking like Princess Leia, he said I looked like Shrek's girlfriend, Fiona, like an ogre. But I'll take it. Also, the shoes I'm wearing right now, I got at Neil's Gap. So I got them at mile 30 on the Appalachian Trail. So that means they're coming up on 600 miles. So this morning, I went on Amazon and ordered the same exact pair of shoes, just a different color, like neon colors are a little bit more fun. And I'm having them shipped to a post office at mile 710. I could potentially be there in 5 days, and I think the shoes are arriving in 5 days. So I really hope the timing works out. It's starting to snow a little harder now. I actually missed the snow. I'm a Northeast girl. I like the snow, and this kind of feels nice. Is this, kind of feels like an April Fool's prank right now. What's going on? I'm in Virginia, and it's April, and there's a freaking snowstorm on top of this ridge. All right, this is 10 miles into my hike, and I'm off trail for a second. Gonna walk a couple tenths of a mile down this road to like maybe a gas station, grocery store, and get some lunch. Cheeseburger, fries.
Oh, sure.
All right, walking back to the AT from Trent's Grocery. Had a lot of food and water while I was there to fill me up for the next 15 miles. But I think I ate a lot, and I might have ate it a little too quick because now I'm kind of like struggling to like keep it down. I'm like burping and it's a bit uncomfortable. So I'm gonna take it easy for a little bit. Once my stomach feels settled, then I might do a little bit more of trail running. And I'm freezing, so I have to warm my body up too. But I'm doing good. All right, so since I don't have my backpack or like any of my stuff today, most of my water and food came from that grocery store about halfway through the day, but I did end up taking my water filter with me. It packs down really small and it can fit in the pocket of my puffy jacket, so I can just dip it into a stream and drink from here, and it's filtered water. So that's definitely something good to have when slack packing. And a couple other things I brought in case you're curious. This pocket right here is where I kept the water filter. This pocket right here is where I keep my phone. This pant pocket is my mittens. This right here is some emergency toilet paper and my wallet. And then this pocket down by my knee is just all the snacks that I need today. Just got to the top of this climb and it looks like the snow stuck here today. Only view of the day. Look at that. All right, this is Sugar Run Mountain. A lot of snow on it. And now that I'm up here, it's only about a 2-mile descent to where the hostel is tonight. So I'm in the home stretch. I'm really happy right now. It's probably just after 6. And I only have 0.4 miles to go until the hostel. All right, and that is how I hiked a 25-mile day in the snow without my backpack. I'm on the road right now. The Woods Hole Hostel is just down that street, I think like half a mile, so I might jog it. I am so eager to get there. I had so much fun today, and I'm excited to check out this hostel because it has such good reviews.